I didn't quit, life just got busy. I owe you guys some shop updates, and we'll get to those in a second. But first, we have a lot to catch up on. Let's get into it. And going forward, we're going to start posting more consistently again. If you watched my last couple videos, you probably know my fiance and I bought our first house, and it's been one of the hardest things we've done to date. It's basically taken up all of our free time, and on some days it's been rewarding, and some days it's been absolutely crushing. We lived through what felt like a lifetime of problems in just about under a year. Termite damage framing, plumbing issues, a leaking roof, water damage, carpenter ants, you name it, we've dealt with it. And I'm probably forgetting a few, which kind of sums it up. I know that sounds kind of brutal, but I'm kind of trying to look at it as some forced character development, whether I needed it or not. Before we bought the house, I thought it was going to be weekends in the shop, building fun projects, and slowly redoing the interior of the house, making it our own. Reality? Everything is broken. Everything feels urgent, and everything costs more than you think. If you're thinking about buying a house, especially an older one, just know if it starts to feel overwhelming, you're not crazy. Everyone goes through this part, they just don't share it. So as you can imagine, the shop has taken a back seat while we sorted all that out. We're not completely done yet, but we're finally starting to get a handle on things, and I'll be sharing more of the progress over the next few weeks. Even with all that going on, I've managed to get a few upgrades done in here. So really the only updates that I have to share about the shop is I put up my French cleat wall from my old shop. I installed this wood rack, which I got off Amazon, and it was pretty cheap, and the quality was not bad. I'll leave a link in the description below. And then I also replaced the old rotted out single window with a double hung window that I ended up getting for free off of Facebook Marketplace. I think to date, the window was the biggest improvement. It's so much nicer to be able to look out in the yard through a nice new window and get a lot more natural light into the shop. We'll get back with more shop updates in a bit, but for now, it's mostly filled with building materials. A few things I didn't expect this year. I didn't realize how much mental energy housing projects take. I didn't expect how fast my free time would disappear when juggling renovations, life, and a full-time job. And I also didn't expect how hard it is to feel creative when everything just feels unfinished all the time. And honestly, I didn't expect how guilty I would feel for not posting and keeping you guys updated. If you're in the same season as me right now, this is your reminder that falling off doesn't mean that you failed or you're giving up. Getting away from the house stuff, and on top of all that, we have some exciting news. Gabby and I are getting married this year in just a few months' time, and thankfully, she has done all of the heavy lifting and planning, but I do know she has a couple projects up her sleeve that I'm going to have to share on here, and hopefully you find them useful if you're in the same boat as I am, or as we are. All right, now for the comeback. I know we had a long hiatus, but we're back, and I'm saying it out loud here. I am posting a video every 2 weeks until the channel hits 76 videos. And I know that sounds random, but that's exactly how many 2-week cycles we have left in 2026, plus all of my existing content. There's a bigger goal behind it, and this year we're gonna see just how far I could make it to that goal when I stay consistent. And I wanna take you guys along for the ride. The reason I'm committing on here publicly to this is not about motivation, it's about accountability. I've learned that waiting until life calms down to do something just means it's never going to get done. There's always another project or a deadline, which is just an excuse not to do something. So this year isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, even when the shop is messy, even when the project isn't done, even when I don't feel ready. Here's what to expect from the channel going forward. Real shop progress, even if it's slow or imperfect. I want to share everything with you guys. House projects that actually matter, even if it's not some pretty finished product. Maybe I have some insight that I could teach you guys something, or maybe you could just learn from a mistake I made. Budget-friendly builds and upgrades for everything around here. We're still trying to make this house our own, even if there is some repairs that need to be done. And occasionally some wedding stuff when Gabby puts me to work. This channel is going to basically be documenting my life as we build out this house together, build out the shop together, and build a community with you guys. I'm curious, if you guys have ever had a hobby that you stopped doing, whether it be YouTube, photography, building, I don't know, drawing, what made you guys hop back in? Leave a comment down below with something that maybe you stopped that you used to love and you just don't have time for, and maybe it'll get you back into it. We'll see. Plus, I'll also get to learn about you guys a little bit. So that's it for today's video. As a little bonus, I left a Google Drive link in the description below so you guys can get access to all my free plans that I've offered on past videos. I know a bunch of you have been reaching out to me via email, and I'm sorry I haven't been getting back to you, but as a little thank you, that link is down below. Also, if you guys want to follow my growth journey over the next year, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you get notified every time I post, and follow my journey along the way. I'll see you guys on the next one.